Welcome back everyone, Crowon here, and we're going to tackle UCE Npc Restrictions, so let's get that imported in. This one's pretty simplistic and straightforward as well. It allows you to put some restrictions in your NPC for players to talk with them. It's pretty basic. So let that import in. It'll allow you to give some tailoring of pieces to a vendor being only available certain times of the day. You could have it so the player has to have so much reputation if you combine it with our faction one. You could have them being in certain factions if you combine it with our realms, so on. So it gives you a little bit more flavor there, so you don't have players just doing willy-nilly, can work with whatever NPC they want. You can have something tied to it. So here's that prefab thing again. Alright, so here we go. Let's open up that readme. Let's open up the hind for me. There we go. So we have one core change it wants us to make, so that's pretty simplistic. So we're going to go ahead and go to our scripts and find our player. There he is. Let's get him open. And now what we need to find in there is one quick little line. So we're going to copy that and do a find on it, and there it is. And we're just going to replace that line with our blue information. So and an easy way to know where this is in the right spot is you'll see this right here, NPC alive or close enough. This is making sure we can actually work with the NPC, because otherwise why would we auto run to it if we can't even talk to it? Awesome. So I'll save that, close it, let it compile. There it is. Alright, cool. So let's collapse that. Alright, so NPC restrictions don't have anything else in here we need to do. All we need to do is go to our alchemist here, and you'll see that we'll have a new section called NPC Restrictions. And if we open that up, you'll see that it's already active, but it doesn't do anything because everything is zeroed out, which means you're willy-nilly, you're allowed to use the NPC as you see fit. And here you can then put in level requirements, you can put in time requirements, you can put in skill requirements, you can put in class requirements, so you have just vendors that only speak with warriors or whatever. Equipment requirements, item requirements, the realms, if you have that in, which we did earlier. Quests have to be a certain quest completed. Or you can have it under your lockable, so you can do like the premium concept. Can't talk to this vendor if you don't have premium. So on. So it gives you all the options as normal we would with every other restriction in the game, just toss on the NPC now. So we're not gonna have any on right now. We're just gonna make sure we can still use the NPC as normal, and then we'll set them on the live so you can see the functionality there. So I don't remember. I think they're both up there now, aren't they? Fantastic. Okay. All right. So we should be able to talk to them, and we're just fine as last time. Now level 4. So we're gonna go ahead and make this min level 5 through 5. Doesn't matter. Alright, and I shouldn't be able to do anything, can't talk to him, can't do nothing. So, pretty straightforward. So now we'll go ahead and put it on a 4, and fantastic, we can use him. So, that'll allow you to set up your NPCs based on more circumstances inside your game, so people can't just talk to whatever one they want. You have a little bit more control. So that's it for NPC restrictions, and I'll catch you in the next one.